Hello guys, welcome to Mayowa Fun TV. So today we're going to be having hike. So I'm here with my guy, I'm here already. Woo. Yeah. We're going to pass this evil forest before we reach. I'm like you. Yes, it's actually somehow hard climbing it, but we just have to do it. Yeah. So now I'm just in quarter way to the top of the of the mountain, you know. But it's really fun here. That's my guy. Very amazing here. Beautiful view. She made it.
I mean, even we didn't believe in her at the time, but she proved us wrong.
Yes,
You know?
she was quite determined. This is just not comfortable. Oh God.
Yeah. See, we're done. Right?
Yeah. Larry is coming. Nasu. Nasu. It's short for you. It's short for you. So right now we are halfway. You can see it's a beautiful view from here. You know, we have some people exhausted, but it's still going up. It's never giving up. All fun here. We're not getting. This is just the beginning. Oh, we're almost there. It's been an easy climb, but we're doing well. Yeah. Hi. How is the climb so far? How do you feel about the climb? Not easy, but it's fun, right? Yes, so. Yes, so what do you have to say about the climb? What do you have to say about the climb? Oh my God, it's getting sweeter and sweeter. We are here live and direct. We made it. Even though we are not the first to get here, but we are here. Live, healthy and happy. Which one you want to join? Yeah, give them. Nasu. Larry, join. This is the top of the mountain. Yeah. Everybody's having fun. People are drinking coffee. This is my cup of coffee. Chilling. Every other person here chilling.
Mama made it to this A wise woman said, to honor this woman. A wise woman said, learn lessons of life before nightfall and bury your regrets before twilight. So before your saliva becomes stale, you would have had enough taste of life's sweet bitter pills. I was told to fall over and over again to teach my feet to rise each time I fall, and my will not to stay down after I fall. Don't be afraid of hearts that cut like a knife. The first will cut deepest. Others will leave battle scars that will toughen your skin. Never get too big to cry. Tears will open the window to your soul. But the greatest lesson of all, she said, is to tame your ego at the feet of your mother. I began to ponder until I saw my mother. A while after my feet had taken me places and fortune gave me wings. She held me in her embrace, soft and tender. She was so small, smaller than I imagined the biggest pillar of my existence could ever become. It dawned on me, I had become bigger than my mother. That tiny creature, a mother carried in her womb will someday grow wings. The little one carried on her back, pulling her hair for support while scratching notes of appreciation on her neck. The scars are there telling the tale. Believe me, the scars are still there on her neck. The weight on her back, her broken heart that longs to have a baby back, not as a child, but an adult that listens. With a heart that feels her pain, hands that stretch in time of need, eyes that see beyond the facade of smile, begging for your attention, and an ego that would melt at her feet like it used to be back in the womb when you humbly kick to plead for food. So, I pleaded with this wise woman for wisdom how love is guided by true love. Of course, love is not guided by reason. True love would not listen at the altar of faith when we converge. Our will sacrifice, strength, tangled resistance, bungle, in sync. We commune in unity, something greater than love.
So now we are going. Everybody is going gently so as not to fall. It's quite dusty, but we're gonna be fine. We're gonna be good. Who did that to my music? So you see, everybody's being so careful. Nobody wants to fall down and embarrass his or herself. Now we have leg traffic, you can see. People are angry. Yeah? Yes. Having his music video. For the song he has not sung. For the song he has not sung. He's having the video already. So we're going down already. If we can look straight down, we already have some people down. So we're very fast, but we had to wait for some people so that we don't miss everybody. Okay guys, when we are actually climbing, we started from far down, from the crime side, then we went to the top. So because of the other side is very steep, we had to walk down. It's actually very far, but you can't actually know from the video. Then we came down around this side. It was fun anyways. Hi guys, so now we just came down the mountain. You can see it over there. It's looking small in the video, but really, you know, it's quite big when you look at it very well. It was stressful, but it was fun, and I hope you're enjoying watching the video. Thank you. Peace out.